Hi, this is gonna be my attempt to United Nations to see us. We demand our independence. We have right to our independence because it's what's happening with our ethnicity. It's natural ethnocide, it's genocide and assimilation. Who we are? I speak on behalf of the Tatar nation, the Indigenous Volga Tatars, Idil Tatars, Kazan Tatars, a people with over 1,000 years of history, culture and statehood on our own land. We were part of the USSR, not as a republic, but as an autonomous Soviet republic under the Russian SFSR, but we were never asked if we wanted to become part of the Russian Federation after 1991. We never signed the 1992 Russian Federation Treaty. Our 1994 autonomy agreement with Moscow expired in 2017 and it was not renewed. This means Tatarstan is not legally part of the Russian Federation and current control is de facto occupation. Because we didn't sign or make referendum for joining it. It just doesn't exist. We are not allowed to create our own national political party. It's colonial rule, not representation. We are not allowed to create our own national political parties. Our representatives are hand-picked, not elected freely, and serves Moscow's interests, not Tatarstan's. Tatarstan's president title was removed in 2022, erasing our sovereign symbols. This is colonialism, not federalism. False elections and illegitimate government. Our elections are filled with rigged votes, ballot stuffing, and even votes from dead people. Surveillance camera footage shows fraud, yet no accountability follows. We cannot vote freely, we cannot protest safely. Forced assimilation and erased an identity. Our language is dying. Schools stop teaching Tatar. Tatar names are Russified. Our history is rewritten. Our stories ignored. This is cultural genocide, a violation of UN human rights law. Historical repressions of Tatars. In the USSR, we suffered famine. In 1920s, 1923, starved our people. We were deported, surveilled, and stripped of. We were oppressed for being and stripped of identity. Over 150,000 Tatars were persecuted or killed for being Tatar or Muslim. It was our intelligent people. This continues now, only in silence. Political repression today. Activists for Tatar rights are arrested, followed, disgraced or disappeared. Speaking your native language, demanding autonomy or calling for peaceful independence is treated like extremism. This violates United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Our demand: Tatarstan is a sovereign nation. The United Nations Charter, Article 1st, affirms our right to self-determination. We never agreed to be a part of the Russian Federation, and every day we are denied our basic rights. We are not a federal subject. We are a sovereign republic living under a legal occupation. The world must stop ignoring us because we lack powerful allies. Our request to the United Nations and international community. We call on the United Nations Human Rights Council, International Court of Justice, the European Court of Human Rights, all nations that respect self-determination. To acknowledge the expired status of Tatarstan's agreement with Russia. It was confederational status. We don't agree to join federation. Investigate fraudulent elections and political repression. Recognize the Volga Tatars as a repressed indigenous people. Demand the right to political representation and a referendum on status. Monitor the erasure of language, history and culture as a form of cultural genocide. And recognize genocide of 1920-1924. Second, what was man-made by USSR and was almost erased 2 million people only in Tatarstan. It was politic to make us minorities in our lands. After this, Tatarstan ethnicity in Tatarstan ASSR never was more than 50%. in a long time. In 2022, our law about peace and don't joining the war was breaking, and they rewrite constitution of Republic of Tatarstan. Because of that 15th article about Tatarstan is dealing only with peace. We are just wanting our historical lands back. We are just wanting our independence back. Please, we never wanted to be a part of this. Our freedom was sold. Bye. Thank you for watching. Like to promote, comment and subscribe to channel to promote this video and share with your friends to more people to see.